Hello everyone, let's see how we can make this. In the description below, you'll find the link to this collab file, which you can open up and come to this page. Make sure you're signing in with your own account so that you can run this on your own drive. You'll have this option where it says copy to drive. Go ahead and click it. Before you run the code, one thing you want to make sure is you are subscribing to the channel. You know what happens if you don't do it? Let's come down to the code. Here you're installing a few libraries, the Keras, the NumPy, the Pillow, everything is going to be installed. Image AI is one of the most important files that we need here in this case. Next thing, you're going to be downloading the model file. I've put it in a Google Drive, which will make it easy for you to download and copy in this code. So just go ahead and run this. It'll create this YOLO.h5 model file in our folder right here. So you can see YOLO.h5 is created for us. Now let's start coding it. Let's have all the files that we need for this. Let's create a video file that we need. In my case, I have some video files. I'm going to use this car1 and put it here. It'll take a few seconds and then just upload all the files that we need. In the meantime, let's start coding. Like I said, we're going to be using this image AI file, and that's based on YOLO version number 3. Let's see how we can code. So from image AI dot detection, import video object detection. So this is a function that we are going to be using. So let's define a function detector, and this detector is basically our video object detection. Once we have this defined, let's initialize the model that we are going to be using. In our case, we are going to be using the YOLO version 3 model, and that goes by detector set model type as YOLO version 3. In our case, we have the YOLO version 3, so we are just defining that function. So good. Now the next thing you want to specify is where is your model path. In our case, the model path is this particular file here. So what we can do is just come here and copy the path, or you can just simply write YOLO.h5. So it'll take care of the model file. Once this is done, the next thing is you're going to be loading the model. You will say detector.load model, and now you have loaded the model. Perfect. Go down and then define the path, the video path that we need. The video path is going to be detector.detect objects from video, and in our case you want to provide the input file or the file that you want the object or the detector to run. In our case it is car1.avi, so we'll say input file path equal to car1.avi. Good.
Nice.
Next, we want to specify where is the output file, and the output file path, and we're going to be just saying, okay, do some car detection for us, car detection 1, and it will save us of a file with the name car detection 1. A few things, parameters that you want to specify in our case, we'll say frames per second equal to 29. So depending on what kind of a video you are, it might be a 30 frames per second or 29 frames per second, or you can even reduce so you're skipping frames, whatever works for you in this case. So just specifying the frames per second. Good.
Wow.
Now it also gives you an option to log the progress. So we'll say, okay, log the progress. Yes, true. That way it can give us an option of what is happening. Perfect. So that's all taken care. The next thing is just print the video path, so we know where it is saved. Once this is done, let's go ahead and run. It'll take a few seconds, few minutes, actually, depending on the size of the video and depending on how many frames it has. So it'll go through all the frames and one by one detect all the video files for us. Once everything is done, what the hell is wrong with you?
Geez, sorry. It's a pretty standard stunt, Homer.
Then you will see car detection 1.avi file pop up here in the folders. Once everything is done, just download this file by clicking on this button here and download. You can download and then view the file on your computer. So that's about it. With that, you guys take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.